Okay, mounting the Harley muffler to my Venture. There's the bracket I made, just to give you an idea of what you're going to run into if you choose to do this. These are 5/16 American. And they are, if you don't have a drop in your bracket and you're going to maybe use a spacer underneath, if you use something that you really can't massage to get to bend it, you're going to need like 3/4 of an inch long 5/16 bolt. Now I'm going to put it back together. There's a little gap here. I didn't know if it would cause vibration if this were to rub up against that, but I wanted to make sure I had a gap, so and that is where it naturally wanted to be. It looks level. Anyway, on with the other side.